20 amp metal power strip. All metal heavy-duty housing. 6 Nema 5-20 receptacles. Integrated overload protection. Illuminated on/off switch. Nema 5-20 plug. This is a special Nema plug end and not a standard plug end. All metal, heavy-duty 20 amp power strip with Nema 5-20 receptacles and plug. 6 FT 12/3 SJT cord. For use with generators, temporary power boxes and commercial receptacles. Cold rolled steel maintains housing structure. Black color matches Southwire carts and boxes. Keyhole slots on bottom for mounting. Mounting template included. 5-20 receptacles also allow 15 amp plugs. Electrical ratings 20 amps, 125 vac, 2500 watts. Coolest certified. Top reviews from the United States. 20A power strip. These are very high-quality rugged 20A power strips. They come with a 20A plug, not a 15A plug that is normal on most power strips. Your outlet has to be a compatible 20A socket.